This is a truly special flashlight, R20, featuring a cleverly designed exterior, crafted from titanium alloy, with a finely baked blue gradient finish. It offers a perfect in-hand, consists of 4 sections, powered by a 16340 battery, and equipped with a built-in USB-C charging port. 20. Lumen LED bulb. Multiple modes and brightness settings. Compact size in hand. Fits easily in your pocket or attaches to your backpack. Wherever you are, the R20 is a light you can rely on in the dark. With a beam distance of up to 270 meters. It features uniquely designed cooling vents, IPX7 waterproof rating, and 1.5 meter drop resistance. Whether you're exploring outdoors, fishing at night, camping or picnicking, or on the go anytime, it will be your reliable companion.